Okay, so on the My Store app, I downloaded it already from my Google apps or from your like iStore, iPhone, whatever, Apple apps are. And then so I click My Store. I set mine up already. So if you haven't set yours up, you got to go to settings and then put your name, select language, and sign in. And then you just sign in with your regular Nu Skin ID stuff, like your email and then your password for Nu Skin. And then select new offer. And then you can put your friend's name. So Frida, and you pick which market, so which country the person lives in. So my default is Canada. And then you can press switch language. So we have English and French. And then you continue. So most of the time I'm sending whitening paste. So you can type in what product you're looking for. I always just search whitening, and if you do the whitening, there's whitening fluoride, there's whitening fluoride free. So the one with 2 tubes is free shipping. So I usually tell that to my people, and they usually order 2. So then that's selected automatically, and then I press continue at the bottom. And whatever else you want to, like whatever else they want to order, or whatever you think they might like, you can just add a couple other things and say I added a couple other things if you wanted to check it out. If not, like don't add it to your cart. And then you can check off if you want to give them any kind of discount. So people that order like quite a few, or people that are reordering, I usually give them a discount. Or, for certain promos and stuff, I'll do discounts too. So up to you, whatever discount you want to give. And then there's just some default message, but you can like customize it if you want. And then after that, you just press continue. I wouldn't add a video. It's a nice idea, but it kind of complicates things. And then you share it, because there's a few things that the video doesn't work with. So you can share by WhatsApp, email, messenger, text, or you could just copy to clipboard and then paste it to whatever format you want. So use either of those buttons. And that's it. So I would just want you to see what it looks like. So once your customer receives the link, it looks something like this. So I just pasted the link that was created. And so when your customer presses the link, they have the ability to, my kids are talking, to add it to their cart or their bag and then check out. And whatever you've put on there, they can add. So you can say, I've added a few of my other favorite products if you want to check them out. But if not, then they don't have to check out with it. So so they just create a guest account, or if they want an email and a history and all that stuff, they can create an account. So all they need is their name and their email, and then they put their payment information and their shipping address, and that's it. So that's the app. Find it super user friendly. Hope you do too. Bye.